I'm 22, full-time uni student and work maybe 10 to 15 hours a week and earn income under the tax-free threshold. Should I add more to super or continue investing myself?
Hey, thank you for the question. Given that you're 22, putting money into superannuation is probably less attractive because it locks it away, or at least it did in the past. Now, given that you're on a low income and you're obviously not working a huge amount at the moment, if you put $1,000 into your superannuation as a personal non-concessional contribution, complete a tax return, the government will give you $500 for free. That's a 50% return on your money, so that's still well worth doing. And the only time that I would get excited about putting more money in via, say, a salary sacrifice is when your income goes up over $45,000, and that means you're going to be paying 34.5 cents on the dollar tax at your marginal tax rate, and compare that to the superannuation tax rate at 15%. Now, keep in mind there's the first home super saver, and there's lots of eligibility there to put money in, save tax, and get it out for a home deposit. So it's not as restrictive as it used to be. Thanks very much for the question. Please remember this is not personal advice, it's general advice and information only. Thanks for listening.